Hi guys, the Galaxy A53 will be Samsung's next premium mid-range smartphone, and information regarding the device was first leaked 4 months ago. Later, its design and color variants were revealed. Now, the smartphone's processor and memory have been leaked ahead of launch. The US variant of the Galaxy A53 appeared in Geekbench's database, revealing the phone's operating system, processor, GPU, and RAM. The device appears to be running Android 12, and it uses the Exynos 1200 processor. It scored 690 points in Geekbench 5 single-core CPU test, and 1846 points in the multi-core CPU test. The Galaxy A53 has 6 gigs of RAM, but there's no information about its storage capacity. The Exynos 1200 appears to have 8 CPU cores. 2 of those CPU cores are running at 2.4 GHz clock speed, while the rest of them are running at a clock speed of 2 GHz. Digging further revealed that the processor features the ARM Mali G68 GPU, which is 2 generations old, and might disappoint when it comes to gaming performance. However, we would still wait for the official release. The Galaxy A53 is expected to feature a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED Infinity O display with Full HD Plus resolution, and a 120 Hz refresh rate. It might also have an in-display fingerprint reader, IP68 rating, and stereo speakers. The phone lacks a 3.5mm headphone jack, though. It has a quad camera setup at the rear, consisting of a 64-megapixels main sensor. It is powered by a 5000 mAh battery, and the phone's production seems to have begun already. Thank you for watching. See you soon.